how to fix action ring not working on your Logitech MX Master 4. So if you've just bought this mouse, then you probably know that one of the main selling points is that there's this action ring that you can use that's on your thumb rest. So if it's not working, you're probably just missing some software. So all you need to do is go into your browser and then type in Logitech Options Plus and click this first link here. Now press this button here, download for Mac, or if you're using a PC, there'll be a PC option. So if we click that, it will start downloading up here. Once it's finished downloading, you just need to follow the instructions and then you can open it up. So now it's open, you just need to tap on your mouse and here you can see it says show action ring. So if we click that, if we go configure action ring, you can now set it up with different app, or you have like this general one, which if I open it up, you can see I've got mine customized. I can press here and it opens up my emoji menu, and there's a lot more complex things it can do as well. So if you've got Logi Options all set up and it's still not working, what you can try doing is going into settings and check for update. So if your firmware is up to date, the next thing you can try is just scrolling down in this menu a little bit and click reset to default settings. You may have clicked an option where you've actually disabled it, so this should factory reset it. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments how you got on.